Hello and welcome to today's video where we're diving into the DII Fridge and Shelf Liner Collection, a versatile and practical solution for your home. This non-adhesive, cut-to-fit liner comes in a beautiful Artichoke Green Abstract Leaf design and measures 12 inches by 10 feet per sheet, with 2 sheets included in each pack. Perfect for protecting your shelves and fridge, these liners provide a cushioned surface ideal for glasses, produce, and more, without the hassle of adhesive, making them easy to move, reuse, and wash. Speaking of washing, they're machine washable. Just toss them in separately and lay flat to dry for long-lasting use, but remember, no bleach or fabric softener. These liners are not just for the kitchen. They're versatile enough to be used in cabinets, pantries, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, adding both protection and a pop of color wherever needed. DII, a trusted brand in home decor, offers a wide range of quality products, so be sure to check out more of their offerings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great home solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.